QS stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Which is very brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Ultimately, as I'm just observing Quantumscape stock, this is still, well, like I'm literally one break away to buy more. Pre-market is not even that crazy, so that's good. This idea that I have here, to just do not assume that I'm randomly going to buy. I mean, I'm just waiting for a proper second break above 961. And if I do not see that happening, bro, then I'm not going to be buying. You know what I mean? So that's why I have kind of the high, the top and the bottom right there, because it really just depends whatever we break first, right? We're not going to stay inside forever. One is going to give, but it just depends whatever gives first. And if I zoomed out, you will see that. Even right here with Quantumscape, it's where it was so good. It's like such a great color. From $6, I was only aiming for like just out of freaking 8. But then this thing went for like 14, 15. So that's great. So I'll continue to keep you updated. And if you want to stay tuned to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.